Break salary myths immediately. If you are entering into data analytics field and if you see that Instagram, LinkedIn ads in which influencers, YouTubers, and they say that you will be earning 45 lakhs, 15 lakhs as a data analyst, so this video is for you. And hi, welcome back to Talk Data with Jen. I help freshers and guide them in their data and AI career. So today in this video we will be talking about the darkest reality of data analyst salaries. Have you seen those influencers and big YouTubers, those who claim that a fresher get 45 lakhs of package without any context of company, location, and at what domain they are working? Because a person who has experience, they can have a package of 15 lakhs or of a certain domain. But if a fresher is comparing themselves, they also have a hope, I would say a false hope, and they set a criteria in their mind that as a fresher we can also get 15 lakh of packages without having any experience or without having any proper skills. Because most of the these influencers and big YouTubers try to play with the emotions of freshers and their dreams. वहीं अगर हम एक रियल एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करते हैं कि एक फ्रेशर डेटा एनालिस्ट को क्या रेंज ऑफ सैलरी मिलती है, तो हम ऐसे लगा सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेस्ड ऑफ द स्किल्स व्हाट अ फ्रेशर हैव, एंड कि कितना अपने आप को अच्छी तरीके से ही इज प्रेजेंटिंग to the hiring manager. So it can range between 3 lakh to 4 lakh for a fresher, or if you are going to a big MNC, so it range can be up, but it cannot go to 45 lakhs. So instead focusing on these ads and on these influencers and YouTuber that they set a unrealistic expectation to the fresher, like 45 package, 50 lakh package, as you see on YouTube and LinkedIn so many times. Instead of that, what you can do as a fresher, if you are starting your data career, you can just try to make your skills, your projects, your portfolio so strong that also you can also get those packages. But setting a real or setting unreal expectation will only hurt your emotions and will lower your self confidence. From this video, I don't want to dishearten any fresher. I just want to convey a simple message that it's okay to feel confused, it's okay to start small, it's not okay to stay unaware and just believe those altu faltu influencers or YouTubers, those who are stating that you can earn this much of package, but at the ground reality what we see is something else and something different. So from this video I just want to convey this advice to all the freshers that um, in the future, or by upscaling yourself in AI, in many other things, you can reach to 45 lakh of package. But as a starting fresher you cannot, or there is no exception as of now, as of my knowledge, that they have get a 45 lakh of package as a fresher. So if you found this video helpful or insightful, or just comment reality, and if I helped you in any way, just subscribe to Talk Data with Jen, and you will be seeing more content around such things where I will be talking bluntly, boldly about these such topics, because I don't want any fresher be disheartened or feel low because of these influencers or YouTubers. And always believe in yourself and always try to improve better from the previous day. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jen. Thank you so much.